Oh my God, credit cousins, now y'all done showed out. We have reached 50,000 credit cousins and I love every one of you all. I wanted to make this video to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing first and foremost. Thank you for putting your notification bell on and commenting, liking, and interacting with me. Thank you for your positive and negative feedback. Thank you for always being patient with me. Thank you for your kind words and gentle words that really keeps me going. Thank you for trusting in me and the information that I bring to this channel. I can't wait to continue on bringing more information and celebrating your wins with you all. All 50,000 of you and counting are winners in my eyes. When one credit cousin wins, we all win. So let's celebrate. Please, if you can comment down below, what was one of your best highlights with me on your journey? I wish I could make a video on how many people got approved for credit cards, increased their credit scores, deleted negative items off their credit report, got new cars, new homes, and so much more, but that video would be so long. So let's celebrate in the comments of your success as well, because again, when you succeed, we all succeed. I love all of you credit cousins. Thank you for your 50K subscriptions. And don't forget guys, I love you all. Bye.